When I stopped to tighten the blade after chainsawing a bit, I managed to flood this chainsaw. And you can pull and pull and pull and it's not going to start. So what you need to do if you flooded your chainsaw, see this tab here is tricky. This is what made me flood it. To start it cold, you want to push this all the way up and then prime it, push the button in, and then pull. Makes noise, then you push this, that'll move the button down. And then when you want to stop, you push it down. Well, I tried, I forgot, I choked it when it was hot. Well, that flooded it. So the choke is up. I'm going to just push that. It's going to put it in the natural position. This is pushed in already. You're going to put your knee here, hold on to this, and then pull.